Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Showtime on Apple TV, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Showtime on your Apple TV, start by turning on your device. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV's home screen. In the search bar, type Showtime. Select the Showtime app from the search results. Click on the Get button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Showtime app. You will see an option to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have a Showtime account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password for your Showtime account. If you don't have an account, choose the option to start a free trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account. Once signed in, the app may prompt you to activate your device. To find your activation code, check the on-screen instructions. Using a web browser, visit the activation website provided in the app. Enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV screen. Follow any additional instructions on the website to complete the activation. After successfully activating your device, return to the Showtime app on Apple TV. You should now have access to all Showtime content. Enjoy your viewing experience on Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.